So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up into 4 parts: the head, the neck, the body, and the tail. So the first part I'm going to show you is the body. What you need first is a 2x2 brick and a 2x1 brick. So put the 2x2 brick on top, put the 2x1 brick on the bottom like that. Then take a 1x1 brick and put it on one of the last remaining openings. Then you need a special brick. It's a 1x1 brick with a stud coming out on one side, and put it on the last remaining opening so that the stud is facing outward. And you don't want it to have it facing inward, or you won't be able to insert the tail. So this is the main part of the body. Then you need 4 1x1 studs. Turn the body over and put 2 studs stacked on top of each other on this corner, and do the same thing for the opposite corner. So put the feet on those two openings, and make sure not to put a foot on the bottom of this special brick. And you have the body.